Alright everyone, welcome to the first actual video, and this video is going to be over how to actually navigate your calculator, and this is very important. Make sure you have this down. I'm going to go through it quite fast, but this is very crucial for all the future videos, okay? So let's get into it. Let me switch over so you can see my calculator right here. And all the buttons and navigations are going to be the same no matter what graphing calculator you use, okay? Now the first thing I want to show you how to do, obviously the main buttons are the main buttons. If you need to raise something to an exponent, you hit this caret button right here above the division sign, and then it will raise it to the power. Another important thing, wherever you're typing, it'll have this flashing dot. If you hit second, it'll start with an up arrow. It's actually like shift. You know how when you shift and then you type on a keyboard, it changes the keys? Well, now, whatever I hit, it will give me the blue that's written in the top left of that key. So if I hit 7, it'll be a lowercase u. If I hit stow, which we won't be using at all, it'll give me RCL. Anything like that. If I get, I can get a right bracket, whatever you need. Same thing with alpha. If I hit alpha, it will do the light green, and this is how we get our letters, which are very important later on. O, I can write whatever I want. A, B, C. Another thing you can do is you can hit second, then alpha, and now you can keep typing and you don't have to keep clicking alpha. This would be like caps lock. Alright, and then to undo it, you just hit clear, and then we're back to normal, or you can hit it again, and it will... actually, no, that doesn't work. Never mind. Just hit clear. Clear is always your way to wipe out everything. And then if you're in a menu like math, math is an important menu where we get most of our functions, probability, things like that. To get out of this, you can hit second and then mode, which above that is quit right there. Additionally, you could just hit math and then like you could hit enter on anything and then clear. But again, if you have something typed out and you accidentally hit math, it's easier to hit second quit because it saves everything you have. Let's say you did do that, like you were doing 98 plus 65, and you accidentally hit math and then you hit enter to get out. Well, instead of clearing this and restarting, you can just hit left and then delete right here. And that just deletes what you're on. Alright? Now, that is the most basic stuff for the navigation of the calculator. Additionally, whenever a number is by itself or at the start, say we're trying to write minus 9x, like we're graphing. Let's say we're graphing for some reason, and we're trying to graph negative 9x squared. Don't use this button right here. Use this button. This is the negative button. This is the minus button. Negative 9. This is how you get x right here is by clicking this button. Or you can hit alpha x. They're the same thing. Whoops, one didn't go left. There we go. And then you can hit the squared button, but I would recommend for consistency hitting arrow there. And whenever you're up in a menu like this or subscript, you just hit right and that'll go back to normal. And you can go left and you can change it, keep going left and you'll get back. And this is how you want to write negative. And then if, say it's minus 5, now you just hit the minus button 5. You don't hit negative 5. Alright? And that is going to be the basics for the calculator navigation. The next video will be covering summations.